Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm walking down the streets and it's a Friday today and it's kind of windy guys. It's yeah, very strong winds, but it's fine because it's sunny. The sun shines brightly, so it's a very nice day out. It's like 70 degrees, not very hot and not also very cold, just right. So for us here it's a nice weather, very nice weather. Thanks God for this weather today. It's really amazing. It's a beautiful day. So that's all for today guys. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.